Ay, hiking. It's gonna be a long hike. Yes.
You can stop. We can wait for you. Kid. No. And sometimes you are.
Yun na, makapag-Jurassic na kayo.
You don't have to. Ano ba? Di ba mayroong park na Jurassic Park World?
Yeah. Sa Oahu yun. Ay, ang ganda. Ganda na shot dyan.
Sabihin mo sa kanila
Hindi,
tell
yan
them
sila
to
yan.
move away.
No, it's okay. Ah,
If you fall down, as long as you're alive, you can branch out.
yeah. Only give up when you're dead.
Oh my God. Tingin kayo ng mga tao.
Ayan. Oh, let's go.
You made me walk excessively.
You don't want it? Oh my God, nareklamo ko.
We will feed you
Excessively.
excessively to win spaghetti.
Okay, let's go to the lava tube.
No? Thousands compared to billions of people.
Ang ganda niya. Okay, let's go to the lava tube. Bakit?
14 ko. Ano-ano sinasabi ng anak ko.
Tulong ni Cyrus. Yeah,
I never know.
it's your third. It's your,
So Nahuku is just a Hawaiian term for it.
it's your third time, honey. It's your third time. Now you know.
Yeah.
So, bago mamalaman ni Vita yung totoo, 3 times muna niya mahanap.
Are we walking 2 miles?
No. There's only like half a mile to get here.
Crater himself.
Yeah, I'm Shade of Craters. Careful.
Careful.
Okay, let's go.
You guys can...
I'm scared because I'm prone to that.
Yeah, I know. I think I bought these in Vermont.
I am prone to that.
Yeah, New Hampshire.
Me and Zaira.
Railroad museum.
Careful, guys.
I still have the picture of the sunset that Zaira took on my phone. From the hot spring. Yeah. I was showing it to a couple people. They're like, wow. I was like, yeah, my niece took that. Yeah.
But for that sliding down, that's me and Zaira.
Whoops. Oh. Pamilya.
Because Zara spoke. Because Zara said it's not that slanted, and then she calls me to slip. Because you jinxed me. As soon as you said it, it's like, it's not that slanted.
Everything's always the younger sibling's fault.
You immediately jinxed me. You're like telling them all like, no, it's not that slanted, and you transferred all that bad luck.
Pamilya nga
For some
kayo.
reason.
Good.
For some reason, it just all just happened.
Pamilya nga kayo, pamilya
What
nga
did I
kayo.
do? I just got astray.
Good.
It's so rude.
Pamilya nga kayo. Sabi eh.
Yeah, family of.
Family drama.
No,
Filipinos are famous for it.
and people who slide.
Ang ganda. Ang ganda.
Zaira, yung 2 laces please, 2 laces. Akin na yung water bottle. Yes, ma'am, sir.
Why you put men, sir?
They are copying Philippines. Don't walk past yung ano.
Is it a bird?
So even like this,
Ha?
even like this. Natatakot ako.
Ang ganda, no? Pero ang ganda, no?
Oo, tapos yung area, yung code,
Yung weather niya maganda. Yung mamasa-masa. Right? It's beautiful here.
ganito nung pumunta ka lang.
No.
Mainit.
Magkakaibang panahon.
Mainit yun?
Mas drizzling when we were with Kim Allen.
Oo.
Kay Kati Carol, palubog na ang araw. So, iba't iba yung ano niya.
Iba-iba.
Yeah. Ito tama. Perfect. This is perfect.
Dalo sa raptor ka talaga.
Oh. Wow.
I want to keep going.
Ang ganda. Wow. That's beautiful.
But it's like perfect.
Picture. Sorry. Kids, come here. Let them pass first.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. So cool. You look cute.
There's a dinosaur inside.
Okay, tara. What?
Oh, ikaw naman. Ikaw naman. Are you guys good? Okay.
This one's my favorite because I married her.
Oh my god.
My favorite little baboon.
Oh my god. Ay, nakawisin.
You too. Thanks.
Maglalahon na kayo sa kawalan. Honey. Don't. It's ruining the view. Hi. Maliwanag?
안녕하세요.
Akin yan, oh. Yeah, right? Right. Ang sarap, ano? Imagine lavas coming or flowing from here.
For driving us here.
Imagine lavas flowing from here. Dang.
Has been like what? How many thousands? A million years?
Maybe a million of years. Slow down tayo para ano, mapil natin yung buong ano.
Zara, can I hold the water bottle? Be careful with water. Be careful enough.
Slow down lang. Hindi ano naman siya, smooth naman siya. Ang ganda-ganda. Kahit yung likod, oy.
Meron na namang mauuna sa akin.
Hindi ka na. Yung taas, oh. Sabi ko sa'yo eh, di ba? Di ba worth it?
Unang-unang araw pa lang.
This is,
Black sand.
imagine, you know what?
Hindi lahat ng tao.
Yeah. You know what? When my YouTube channel grow, I would give an experience dun sa mga ordinary people na alam mo, hindi kaya maka-upload, hindi kaya bumili ng, we'll cover all of their expenses. From flight to coming here. Even application for visas. Yeah, right. If that thing happened, I mean, kasi syempre, di ba? Ordinary people na can afford.
Ang plant na naman to grow.
I know. Ah, pero ang sarap ng pakiramdam, ano? Di ba? We're driving here. Plants. Ang sarap ng pakiramdam dito, no? Look at this one here. Fern. Hindi ko naman ulamin. Ano ka ba?
Baka ibang species.
Tapos tong area na to mababa, oh. I hope this is not gonna collapse. Kasi ito yung pinakamababang part niya.
Yes. What is that?
Water.
Oh, flow.
Yes. I'm tripping.
Don't touch it, honey. Ang sarap ng pakiramdam ng ano.
Thank you.
Oh, for the light?
Yes.
That's why I brought it.
Uy, ang ganda nito, oh.
If you look up,
Parang ano? Parang Volga. Look at this part, Ate Carla. Ang ganda. Tingnan mo. Parang Volga. Dapat maglagay sila ng chandelier dito. Para ano. Ang ganda. Guys, medyo hindi halata yung ganda niya sa video, pero sobrang ganda in person. And it feels good too. Right? Ito na. Ito yung pinaka-ano niya, pinaka-maluwang na parte. So, see.
If you wanna,
Plant roots.
excuse me, kids. People. If you wanna go ahead, please.
go ahead.
So, there's a root. Ay, yung mga roots, oh, yung mga puno.
Roots ng puno yan doon.
Cool.
Please.
Okay.
Here's the thing I brought this.
It's okay.
Ako ka na.
It's okay. No, it's a good thing.
Look at this. Anong klaseng plant to? Oh my god. It's a kind of fern.
Or you fall straight back into me.
Eh, ano pa lang yan? Ang tawag dito? Ano pa lang yan? Warm up.
Ay, tapos na?
Warm up?
This is warm up
For what?
for the hike.
What hike?
We're gonna go to the floor. Why? You don't want it?
I thought this was the hike. Because I still have a buttload of driving to do today.
You can stay. Ang bilis naman kaya ako sana.
But the other trail's in this area, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm driving over here.
So you're gonna go walk by?
Huh?
What's your plan?
I'll get back to the car, then I'll drive us over here. If the trail of the floor is over here, I'm just gonna drive us over here.
We're just gonna go to the... You hike first. We're just gonna wait here.
Huh?
May ganyang talent pala si Syra.
Kaanuhan. Sometimes fried brain.
Pilo.
I'm sorry.
Ano yan?
These are the biggest, anong tawag dyan?
Kind of stinks here.
Ano naman yan?
So, nagpototsiksil.
Oh. Yeah. Peter Bird daw sabi ni Syra.
Gotta get out your phone with the bird app.
the sound of that?
No.
They don't know.
Ulit, Syra. Ulit, Syra.
Appreciate it. They're in the Western TV show.
Iron Man. Practice na ni mami mo yan.
Dogs.
Oh, Zaira.
No horses around. Nothing. I don't know. The sign said no horses. Plenty. I've seen plenty of horses here. There's this wild little beavers running all about in the middle of the forest. Look at these beavers story here.
Tinan mo, mas malalaki yung mga ano, mga fern dito.
Twice now.
Diba?
This curse your sister jinxed you. Yeah. Sit down.
Di ba, Tikar ba? Ang ganda. Anak mo, hindi na tumigil sa kakalabo mo.
Madam, picture nga tayo.
Okay na yan.
Para meron tayong mga picture doon sa mga, alam mo kasi di ba may, ano din, yung information where you took the picture.
Yes.
So maaalala mo kung saan tayo nagpunta.
Eh.
What part of the...
Look at that. This is a part of the world. Di ba hindi naman mahirap yung hike?
Hindi talaga.
Mahirap lang
Hindi
pagka
masakit daw yung dito.
descending na siya. Ascending na pala. Pagpataas na. May. Mas mahirap pa i-hike namin sa Yosemite.
Naalala mo natin.
Yung nag-hike kami ni Peter. Kami ni Peter. May hike kami doon na mahirap.
Alin?
Yung sa tunnel. Have you been there?
Hoy,
Yung tunnel.
alam mong hinike ko ang Upper Yosemite Falls, di ba? Oh.
Wala mga mas mahirap yun.
Gaga, umakyat ako nung falls.
Eh, I don't know.
Ha?
Yeah. Ay, tingnan mo dito. Anong meron? Butas.
At hindi mo ba alam ang Upper Yosemite Falls kung gaano ka-extreme ang ano?
Not really.
Tangi, alam mo yung falls ng Yosemite?
Yes.
Yung dalawang falls na mataas.
Okay.
Oh.
Ang bilis ng mga kasama natin.
Ha?
Ang bilis ng tatlo. Yun yung mga ayaw mag-hike.
Yung first?
Si Kim Allen. Yeah. Gabi kami nag-hike dito. Ano na, sunset na. So, madilim na talaga. Nang pabalik kami, hindi na namin mahanap yung daan namin. So, don't dare. Okay?
Huwag kang mag-ano talaga dito.
Lesson learned kasi nakakatakot. Kasi hindi mo na alam kung saan ka pupunta. Tapos pagdating mo sa floor, makikita mo yung mga ringat-ringat ng ano. Eh alam mo naman yun. 'Di ba? Yung awang-awang ng lupa. Minsan sinlaki ng tao, yung laki ng awang. Okay. Well, to be honest, I can go this way, but it's too steep. Ano, you know. Pwede kang mag-go this way. Para doon ka na. But it's too steep.
Ba't hindi ako umihi? Meron bang ihian sa baba?
Sa CR doon, may CR kanina. Sige, pass ka lang ha.
Ha? Pag paakyat, hindi mauna ka.
Okay.
Gakan ka.
Ang bilis naman nila.
Nasaan na sila?
Nandun na sila. Malapit ng ganito ba naman ang i-hike natin everyday? Talagang go ako.
Bayo, paakyat.
Ay, akyat. Puro pababa lang ang gusto ko. Yung i-hike ko, puro pababa lang po, please.
Paakyat, oh.
Yung paakyat, pwede bang ano na lang?
Bukas na.
Pa-aeroplano nyo na lang po ako, sabi.
Take me ako.
Kasi nakakatamad. Pag paakyat na. Hello. Buti na, ang ganda-ganda ng scene dito.
Saka malamig. Ay, saka yung...
Yung best weather talaga ganito.
Pero hindi
Pag
na-
nagpunta ka
hindi
dito.
na- Mas mainit dito, ano?
Mainit siguro sa ano,
Yung pagsama.
kapag summer siya talaga. But this one, yung may nagdodressing pang tubig, maganda yun. Tsaka yung basa yung lupa. Yun. Perfect. Ganito ang perfect time para mag-hike dito. Kaya pala din natin marinig kasi hindi na pa criss-cross.
Oo. Malayo pa ganun. Labubo! Wala na, busy.
Wala, nasa na. Hindi na talaga sumasagot yung labobo mo.
Ay, palayo na ka.
Nakatuwa naman si Syra na ano. Parang yung ibang personality niya nag ano, lumabas. Ano?
Hindi mo ba nakikita yun?
Eh, lagi naman siyang tahimik eh.
Alam mo lang.
She's so reserved.
Pag si kuya niya actually.
Pag si kuya niya kasama niya, ganyan siya.
Merong extra.
Yeah. Hindi, ngayon medyo open up naman na siya. Hindi na siya ano. Hindi na siya shy type na nakikita yung mga ganong ano niya, di ba? So nice. Hi guys.
Buti na lang, nag-oo tayo.
This is 3 hours hike.
Buti na lang, nag-oo ako. Ano?
Na?
Dito.
Mag-hike?
Hindi.
Sa trip na to?
Oo, yung una mo.
Of course.
Sige na, i-book mo na. No?
Oo, kung nag 3 days ka, hindi sulit.
Oo.
Hindi ba? Bitin.
Hindi
Para ka lang si Ate
gagawin to.
Carol.
Oo.
This is a really nice hike. Pwede na kami magtayo ni Peter ng tour guide company namin.
Tour company.
Touring company namin sa Hawaii.
Oo.
So you
I
guys,
agree with that.
subscribe. We're gonna tour you around the Hawaii island. We'll make sure to provide you good food.
Oo, lahat. Oo.
Pwede, no? Katira.
Daga.
Kung magtutour guide ka.
Hindi. Yun.
Ooh. Yes!
Tao yun?
Oh my God, yes! Diba? Sana akma yung sapatos natin baka matunaw sa laba.
Gago, hindi ka naman dito.
Joke lang. Oh, diba? Napashit ka tuloy. Oh. Yes. Baka nandun. Ibig sabihin mo matatanda. Na veteran hiker?
Hindi. Yung mga matatandang Chinese. Kasi, alam mo mga lola lang. Yung mga auntie mo.
Oh. Yung ganitong pakiramdam.
Labo!
Wala na yung labubo mo. Nandun na sa gitna ng iki floor. Nandun na yung labubo mo. Pustahan tayo. Nasaan sila? Ayun sila.
Hindi na nakaupo na siguro. Labo!
Dito kami nawala.
Direct. How is it?
Hindi namin alam kung saan kami pupunta. Parang doon yata kami. Doon kami napunta.
Ah.
Yeah.
Tapos bumalik pa kayo?
Eh gabi, wala kaming ano, ang hirap hagilapin ng ano, daan. Ush. Ano na?
Pahihirapan tayong umakyat gaga.
Hina-hina lang tayo pag-akyat.
kami ng labubo, walang bumabalik. So we're like, where are they?
Andun, all the way down yung labubo mo.
Labubo!
Walang sumasagot. Cool. Diba? Yeah? I don't know. Somewhere there, I think somewhere here. Cause we walked. I think we were there. I remember those big cracks there. That cracks.
Yeah, then you were absolutely.
Well, it's scary when it's night.
I know, you were losing your shit.
Yeah, at nighttime it's so scary. Yeah. Especially there's the area where Cyrus going.
Yeah.
That's one. I thought it's like empty, and it might crack open anytime.
Did she call her La Boo Boo?
Yeah.
Labubo!
She's like, yeah, screw it.
Walang pakialam. Wala na siyang pakialam. I got it, Han.
Okay, sure.
Yes, sir. Okay. Thank you. Diba? Imagine, wala kang sense of direction dito pag gabi.
Oo, Kat.
Sabi ko sa'yo,
Here, in pitch black with no flashlight.
yeah, it's kind of scary.
Yeah.
Yung anak mo.
What time the? It must be scary.
It is scary.
9, 10 o'clock at night.
Tingnan mo yan ako. Oh.
Flashlight for the stargazing would be fantastic.
Yes.
Sabi nga namin, matulog na kami dito at magpa-rescue na lang kami kinabukasan. Yung mga bata, takbo sila. So they're enjoying it.
Yeah.
Look at Syra.
Yeah, Jarrell, I was like, you're in a rush to get down there, aren't you? He's like, yep, it looks interesting. It looks cool.
So this is it, honey. This is the area where
Yep.
yung mga crack na yan, oh, yung,
Where you lost your shit.
yeah, yung bang, ay, honey, huwag ka dyan. Yung ganun ako.
Yeah,
Kasi
there's
look.
like a 15-foot drop right there.
Oh my God, look. Pag nahulog ka dyan, talaga magpaparescue ka.
Yeah, I don't want.
It's like a 15-foot
You don't want to look?
Crack in the earth.
Right? O, diba? Yung mga ayaw mag-hike. Hangit. Andun na sila sa gitna. Ng ano. So guys, we're here in Volcano National Park. Imagine yung ibinubuga pa, yung nakita mo yung picture niya kanina, yung hindi pa to ano,
Ganito.
hindi pa siya ganito, yung laba-laba pa lang. Imagine, ang layo ng dalawa.
Are they planning to cross?
Mukhang klaro nilang cross, nandun na. Pag nahabol natin, nandun na sila sa kabilang dulo. Kaya mo lang. Let's go. Ang ganda. This is kind of like one in a lifetime.
Once in a lifetime.
One in a lifetime.
Once in a lifetime.
Ay, ang ganda ng tree.
Pag nawawala ka daw, ito ang hanapin mo, Kat. Yung mga
I know, pero
sa gabi, hindi mo
ang
na.
mahirap hanapin pag nandun ka, oh. Mahirap siya hanapin. Dapat naglagay sila ng, alam mo yun, solar light sa top nun. Hindi. Dapat solar.
Huh?
Yeah. Gano'n kaya ka-empty yung kahalo yung ilalim nito, no?
Huwag mong ganyan.
It's possible.
What?
Kasi, look, it's rocks, it's lava. I'm telling her how shallow or how empty this rock. Guys, so yeah. Parang isang bus ang ano mo dito. I wonder when was the last eruption for this area.
What do you want us to try to do?
Ewan ko.
They have the marker. Ganito na pa sa mountain na to.
Hindi pa ako nakapunta doon. Grabe, no?
Can you imagine how lava starts spewing from 100 feet away?
Ito, oh. Tingnan mo na tuyo na lang. Magpahinga muna tayo.
So there's another road. You can see from there.
Yeah, but it's kind of, you can see I'm just gonna look at it a little bit.
Oh!
Yeah, so you can see from the steam vents, and you can push up to a higher, closer area.
But for us, we can drive.
Yeah, yeah, the right with the steam vents.
Anak, so we can go and drive, and then we'll be on that side also. So
Oh, yeah.
So the steam vents are over there. And you can get a direct view of Kilauea spewing smoke.
So you don't need to hike till there, okay?